Hello everyone. Today we will be making a simple soil moisture sensor that can detect the presence of water in soil. This project covers the principles of resistance and transistors. First, let's learn about them in short. Resistance is the property of an object to limit the flow of current. It is measured in ohms. This is the symbol of ohms. To calculate ohms or the resistance value, we must use the Ohm's law. The Ohm's law was made by George Ohms. Ohm's law states that voltage is directly proportional to the product of current and resistance. R here is resistance, I is current, and V is voltage. So, if resistance is high, voltage will be low, and when voltage is high, resistance will be low. Transistors are used in many ways, but I'll explain how it is used in this project. Transistor in this project is acting like a switch, but instead of manual input, it turns on whenever the voltage is provided. There are different uses and types of transistors. In this project, we will be using the principle that water too has resistance. When water presence in the soil is high, the resistance will automatically be high and the voltage will be low. We will be connecting wires to the soil to check this. Similarly, if voltage in the soil is low, resistance will be low and voltage will be high. When the voltage will be high, the transistor will be triggered, which in turn ons the LED. When the voltage will be low, the transistor won't be triggered and LED will remain off. Now I will show a live demonstration of the project. On the right hand side here we have the circuit diagram, or on the left hand side here we have the materials required. Now I will zoom in and show each component. As you can see, the black thingy here is the transistor. It's a BC547 transistor, which is an NPN type transistor. There are two jumper wires here connected, which will be placed in the soil to check its moisture. There is an LED connected to the transistor. There is a resistor connected to the transistor, so the current flow can be limited. And here there is a wire connecting the transistor to the negative rail. Here we have 4 AA batteries, which combines to make 6 volts of power. This is the power source of the project. Now we will be placing this in wet soil and dry soil. There we go. We will be placing the other wire, and to prove this is not a power supply issue, we will be connecting, and by the time we connect, the LED will be turned off. So it's still not in. I'll be putting it in. Now when I remove both the wires, the LED will multimeter. It's set on the highest value to read ohms or resistance value. I'll be placing the multimeter here. Let's put both the probes into the soil.